So I just got this really cool speaker from DOSS. This is a P400. It has a 26-hour battery life capacity, 50-watt output, and it has a party light. So let me pull it out of the box and show you what all is included. Nicely wrapped in foam here. Here it is. So it's a small speaker, which is really handy. It also comes with instructions and a cable, so nice as well. Then, pop that out of the plastic. All right, let's see this thing. Oh wow, this is really pretty. So it has this nice reflective material here. It's like a mirror on the front. And then it has these bronze speakers here, and then on the bottom you have some nice rubber feet. So on the top here you have a power button to turn on and off. You have an extra bass button, so you just click that to get more bass. You have an add button, so you can actually pair two of these together to get a more immersive sound, which is really lovely. You have play and pause, and then up and down on volume, and then the mode button. So you have a lot of configuration options as needed. And then on the side, you have this rubber cover here, which has your USB-C port, and you have your aux port as well, and then micro SD card. And the nice thing is that just kind of tucks in and that matches the same look of the buttons. So I'm gonna power it on now. And you can see that this middle section here lights up, which is really cool. So this is what will give you the lighting effect on the speaker. So on this, there are 6 lighting modes for the front. So you could have like a pulsing one or a calm one. You could also turn the light off if you don't want it on. So the logo here is actually on this like film cover. So you can leave the logo on if you like the DOSS logo, but you could also pull it off and it'll just be a complete mirror until you turn it on, which is really cool as well. And overall, it's just a really nice speaker. So if you're looking for a speaker like this, I suggest you check it out.